you're back. I just want to hope you do the end of the show. Watch some trains. How big the Tour Terra is, though. That is why he has won 1 gold and 2 silvers at the X Games. Man, that was good. I hope you guys were on your iPhones. Other smartphones are available. So who wins the first whip jam on this beautiful Tuesday? All touch their helmet, say their name. You cheer for your favorite. Is it the man to my left from Australia, 22 years young, Pat Bowden? Whoa. Or is it the man from Spain, Edgar Torres? Edgar wins the first whip jam. Free beer for Edgar. All right, thanks, team. Okay, guys, hold tight. We got something very, very special, very delicious coming up in 2 seconds. Hold tight.